In our topic mensuration, today we are going to solve some examples. Our first example is that Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road if the area of this field is 10,500 meter square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallels is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. Here look the figure. Here the upper part or upper strip is the road and the lower strip, that is the river here. And Mohan's field, which is trapezium shaped, that is the parallel side of this trapezium shaped field is along the road as well as along the river, and it is given that the length of the field along the river is twice of the parallel side of the field along the road side. Means the road side is half of the river side and the perpendicular between the two parallel sides, that is 100 meter given, and therefore here we have to apply the formula for the area of the trapezium, that is equal to 1/2 into sum of the parallels into height. So here let the length of the side along the river be x meter. We don't know both the sides which are parallel, means length of parallel sides is not known. So let the length of the one parallel side is x meter and the length of the other side which is along the road is half. So here other side, that is parallel to road, is half of the x, means 1/2 x meter. And now area of the trapezium is a trapezium shaped field is equal to 1/2 into bracket x plus 1 upon or 1/2 x bracket complete into parallel distance is perpendicular distance is 100 meter, so 100. Now area of the trapezium is given 10,500, so 10,500 is equal to 1/2 into here x plus 1/2 x, it will be 3 upon 2x into 100. And now 10,500 is equal to 3 upon, means 3 1 the 3 and 2 2 the 4, so 3 upon 4x into 100. Now dividing 100 by 4 at the denominator, we will get 10,500 is equal to 3 into 25x, and now 3 and 25 will divide 10,500 when it is transposed. So we will get 10,500 divided by 3 into 25, and that is equal to x. After division or dividing or reducing the ratio, we will get x is equal to 140 meter. X is equal to 140 meter. Here the length of the side along the river is equal to 140 meter. In this way, we have find the length of the side along the river of the field which is trapezium shaped. Our second question is that top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of regular octagon. We know that all the sides of the regular polygons are equal. So here, though it is an octagon, all the 8 sides of the platform are equal. So here means top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Here, if we join or draw the two dotted lines here as shown in the figure, then the regular octagon is divided or splitted into two trapeziums and one rectangle. Here we know that the parallel sides, upper parallel side and the lower side, is these two parallel sides are of length 5 meter as well as 11 meter, and same condition is there, means the two parallel sides are 5 meter and 11 meter respectively. But due to these two dotted lines, we get one rectangle also having length 11 meter and breadth 5 meter. And if we draw the areas of each diagram and add the areas, then we will get the total area of the octagonal platform. So first of all, we will see here the regular octagon is divided into two trapeziums, and each trapezium having height 4 meter. It is given here, height 4 meter, and parallel sides 11 meter and 5 meters respectively. Also, a rectangular part having length 11 meter and breadth 5 meter respectively, and therefore area of the trapezium, that is equal to 1/2 into sum of the parallels into height. Here area of the trapezium is equal to 1/2 into sum of the trapezium, that is 11 plus 5, and into height is 4. Now dividing 4 by 2, we will get 11 plus 5, that is equal to 16, and into 2, that is 32 meters square. So area of the one trapezium is 32 meters square. Similarly, area of both the trapezium means we have to multiply by 2 only. So we will get area of two trapeziums is equal to 2 into 32, and that is equal to 64 meters square. 64 meters square. And now we will find the area of a rectangle. That is, area of a rectangle is equal to 11 into 5, and 11 5s are 55 meters square. And now we will find the area of the octagonal platform. That is, area of a platform is equal to area of two trapeziums plus area of one rectangle. Now we know that area of two trapezium is 64 meters square. So 64 plus 55, and that is equal to 119 meters square. So that is the area of the octagonal platform. Now one more example is there, we have to solve. So write down, there is a pentagonal shaped park. Pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. That is the main figure. Then for finding the area, for finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. Jyoti and Kavita divided the figure into two different ways and find the area. Find the area of this park using both ways, is by Jyoti's way as well as by Kavita's way. Now, here the first figure is Jyoti's diagram or Jyoti's figure, in which she draw a perpendicular from the vertex to the base of the pentagonal shaped, that is the park. Here at the base both the angles are right angles, so it is the base is the height of the pentagonal. But here, due to the perpendicular, the pentagonal park is divided into two trapeziums, in which the length of the parallel sides is 15 meter as well as another is 30 meter, and length of the height is 15 upon 2, means half of the 15. The 15 means 15 upon 2, and therefore here Jyoti's diagram, according to Jyoti's diagram, we will find the area, that is the given shape is splitted into two congruent trapeziums, and therefore area of one trapezium, that is equal to 1/2 into sum of the parallels into height. So it will be 1/2 into 15 plus 30 into perpendicular is 15 upon 2. So here 1/2 into 15 plus 30 means 45 into 15 upon 2. After simplification we will get here 675 upon 4 meter square. That is the area of the one trapezium. But we know that here there are two trapeziums, so area of pentagon, that is equal to area of the two trapezium, that is equal to 2 into 675 upon 4 is equal to 337.5 meter square. Means the area of the pentagonal park according to Jyoti's diagram is 337.5 meter square. Now here the second figure is Kavita's diagram or Kavita's figure. She splitted the given pentagonal park into a square and a triangle. Here square and a triangle. So we have to, if we have to find the area, total area, then we have to add the area of square as well as area of the triangle. So here the Kavita's diagram will give us the given shape is splitted into a square and a triangle, and therefore area of a square that is equal to side into side, and that is equal to 15 into 15. We will get the area 225 meter square. So area of this square is 225 meter square. Now area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. So that is equal to 1/2 into base is 15 and height is also 15. So 1/2 into 15 that is equal to 225 upon 2, and after reducing we will get 112.5 meter square. And now we will find the area, total area of the pentagonal shaped park, that is area of pentagon is equal to 225 plus 112.5, that will give us 337.5 meter square. From both the answers it is seen that the area of the pentagonal park is same by both the methods.